It doesn't mean that the doctor was not careful at his watch, but the Lord did it to bring a testimony.
I don't care.
Turn to your neighbor, Mugambe, sifayo.
Turn to your neighbor and tell them, I don't care what men have spoken about. But I can hear a voice, a sovereign voice, that is saying whatever they have talked about is null and void. I got a new report for you tonight. That the will of God shall be established in your life. Hallelujah.
There are those who said that you're suffering from tonight the diabetes is drying. There are those who are suffering from the report is saying that you are living the stress. There are those the report is saying that there is a law that is transmitted. There is a sickness they call it. And they say the family of Samson, they all suffer from epilepsy. They don't marry and they don't get married. They don't spend the time with their body. The Lord is reviving such a sickness.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. I can hear another word.
Oh, shatayalaba. Hey, kano ka muntu ngena kamuwanga tusaba maso. Kati waliwo ekigambo kye bayita tuteranga tukozesa nga bagamba God is going to rewrite my story.
Waliwo ekigambo kye tukozesa tugamba Katonda agenda kwanisha olugero lwange.
We normally say God is going to rewrite my story.
Now
I'm here to say that He's not just going to rewrite your story, but He's going to blot out and delete your old and unworthy story. And then grant you a whole new story of your life.
There are those who are well known at the neighborhood.
Even
if you talk in very well at the neighborhood, they despise you.
Naye Katonda agenda kuswaza abantu
If you bless them very well, they continue to despise you, but God is going to shame them. The Lord is going to shame those who know our stories. The Lord is going to shame those who know our stories. Whoever knew my old story, I can see those who are getting ashamed with it. There are those who are going to send you everything. They are going to see a way. I can see those who are going to say, behold, those who are going to see what they have been waiting. Let men baptize you every day. Let them speak about you. Today's night the Lord is changing the story. You have a story that is not interesting.
But God is going to roll it away.
He's
going to roll it away. And behold, things are going to be new. Now listen and listen good.